Country is this big blank statement, right? It's not limited to just a certain time frame. So maybe you've seen it and you've been like, I'm not interested in my grandpa's hillbilly music. All of a sudden you're cruising the internet and you see a guy blasting out some really hot double stops and some single note lines and cross picking or whatever, and it sparks your interest and you think, well, country's not what I thought it was. I started playing mandolin when I was 5 years old. I can't really remember not being able to play. It wasn't always good, but I could always poke at something. I remember buying a CD when I was about 15 or so. It was Mark O'Connor's New Nashville Cats. And of course, the playing was incredible, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, I hear this telecaster. It's just blazing. It had this like really wiry, aggressive tone. And it was that moment in time where I was like, I have to get an electric guitar. I have to figure out how to do it. Country licks are super fun and can sound chaotic and wild, and when you apply those to different places of music, you end up having a chance to create a sound that it can be yours. This is my life. This is what I grew up doing. I've played for artists ranging from Rascal Flatts, Low Cash, Gary Allan, Scott Stapp. I've of course played with my own bands and own projects, and I've got a pretty lengthy background. This course is like a window into where I came from. This course is going to help you be a better player in a band environment, session environment, how to take direction from producers, how to find the tone that's going to work, how to back up a singer. These are techniques that I think you'll carry with you into whatever aspect of music that you're interested in playing in. This course encompasses everything that I do as a player when it comes to this style of music. Hopefully what I'm bringing to the table is these techniques that you can apply to your playing, therefore growing your own playing and taking things into territory that I don't know about or other players don't know about, and you become the teacher.